Welcome. Going to be making this guy on my desk adjustable table fan. But first, let me show you how to make the PVC sheet. Please touch the subscribe button for me. It's free. You won't have to pay for this. Instead, YouTube will. And only you can make it happen. Cut into 2 and heat up on a gas cooker or any other heat source. Rotating the PVC, making sure all the surfaces are heated. When heated enough, the PVC start to become soft and flexible. Place in a smooth surface and press down with the smooth stuff like tiles for smoother results, and then release when cooled. It doesn't actually take much time to cool. Place another PVC on the sheet and mark out that circular shape. Going to be using that for some stuffs. This is 10 centimeters with holes already made for the charging module. Glue firmly. It'll be holding the batteries. These pipes are of different sizes. They can penetrate one another. These rings here will prevent the white PVC from slipping out while adjusting. Glue firmly and then install the batteries. I used to have 5,000 milliamp hours lithium-ion batteries, wired in parallel, thereby increasing the capacity to be able to charge a mobile phone to an extent. The charging module, I'll pop out the wiring diagram in no time. The DC motor with up, sides, and down supports. This should be centered. To make this protector, it's simple. Make this lines and cut out the biggest spaces out. You can still make the back the same way or make another style like I did. Cut out. This will support the up and down rotation. Well, I added another red sprayed PVC for fancy. Place on the support and screw both sides. I added rubber underneath to prevent unnecessary scratches. You can add yours if you have. It's your project. Now we are done. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button for me. Help me get this video to at least 20 likes and maybe 10 subscribers. And also, let me know your opinions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.